Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the relay for the horn is located, which relay you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses, relays from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for a manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We've demonstrated where the horn relay is located on 2016 Ford F-150, guys. Right here, 2016 model. We have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just the fuse box that's under the hood in the engine bay. Okay, let me go back so I can show you now here. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you can clearly see that this is your 12-volt battery. Right behind it you have a fuse box, that's the cover, and if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one, that being the front of the truck. This is towards the windshield side. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see, guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, expensive and overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement ones at a good price and quick shipping. On the very bottom side right here in that fuse panel, you can see that fuse panel, guys, right here with relays. The horn relay will be located in that row on the very bottom side next to the fuses. That's the horn relay that you will need to check specifically. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. See you guys next time.